Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
My sister owns a parrot in a cage. My brother shared peanuts in a plate. Sharing brings joy to pets and siblings. Kindness makes happy moments together.
Let's meet with new sounds.
P, p, p.
Let's do actions with me.
Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Parrot, pen, plate. P, parrot. P, pen. P, plate. Dear kids, what do you know about parrots? What do parrots eat?
See you in the next lesson.